Hey guys, here goes week 26 garden tour. Look at a chipmunk with 2 peanuts in her mouth. And I had to squeeze everything in there because we are having a party. So I have to make sure I squeeze all my containers together because I don't want people to kill my tomatoes. So here are all my tomatoes. Do feel a little close. Sorry. More tomatoes. Look at them tomatoes. And more tomatoes. Oh, I hope it doesn't rain. These are my little cherry tomatoes. These died. I don't know what happened. I think I transplanted them too late. More tomatoes. My seedlings are dying. That tomato is picking up peppers. More baby tomatoes. Right there. My peppers. Mamalanga. Peppers. Strawberry. Tomato. This thing was full of strawberry seeds, by the way. And I only got 1 strawberry. Seedlings died. 1 tomato plant. My ginger. And I don't think that's what I was growing in there.
Thank you.
Okay. We need to move the sweet potato over here. I don't want people to kill them. The sweet potato. There's my sweet potato. Bring it over here with the rest of the potatoes. Here's my cucumbers.
Oh shit, honey.
No, don't pick it up. You gotta drag it. It's too heavy. It probably has potatoes already in it. We gotta drag it. And then here's my potatoes. Go out some so you can see it. My potatoes. And then here's a larger view of my garden. You hear that? Peace. Thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Bye, guys.